Comparing the lag that One UI 4 had, One UI 5 is 90% better. And still, we are on beta 2, so I think they will make it 100% better. The same applies here, so it's better than One UI 4, but could improve in future betas. Also, if you want to see how animations are performing, then check out my One UI 5 animations video on my channel. Battery on One UI 5 is really great. I am getting 7+ hours of screen on time with 15% left on my Galaxy S22 Plus. Unfortunately, yes, gestures are still broken on One UI 5 for third-party launchers. Considering that we are still in beta, the performance is really great. It feels faster as well. As I said in my other One UI 5 video, the notification panel lag is 100% fixed. In terms of smoothness, yes, starting with iOS, ColorOS, Google UI. But let's wait for the final release of One UI 5, because there are some great improvements in Beta 2. Second, in terms of features, I can't think of another UI that has more features than One UI. If you have any other questions, then comment down below. And also, a lot of you asked me about animations. I made a dedicated One UI 5 animations video, you should definitely check it out.